This is how we want our plastic trims to look like, but this is actually how they look like after absorbing a lot of sun. That is quite a common thing to happen. So today we are going to show you a way, a hack by which you can extend the time, a trick through which we will be able to maintain that blacker look for a lot longer than normal. So what we are going to do for this issue, so I have a regular bottle of silicone glaze or silicone polish, whatever you want to call it, and I have a trick. A lot of you may understand it just by looking at it. It's a black fountain ink. So we're gonna mix them together. Ultimately, the black ink will help plastic trims to remain a little more black for longer. I'm not telling you that it will keep it black, because sunlight will do its work and make the black go away soon, but definitely as comparison to just doing by this, these both will last a lot longer. I've been doing this from a very long time and it stays there for like a month or so, that too in our Indian climate, which is very sunny. And make sure you are using gloves with that, and if you have a vehicle which is light in color, use masking tape as well. So now we have to shake it well and then use it. And this is the comparison. I've left a spot intentionally so that you can see. I've just did one pass. This specific part, it's quite notorious for drying out, so it needs 2 to 3 passes. So that's the result. Now a lot of people will argue that the silicone base will not allow ink to dry up, but if you leave it a day or so, the silicone will get absorbed and the ink will form a layer on the top, so it will last quite a lot. I've been doing this thing from a long time, and here is the final result.